Hey everybody, just a little video quick here. Had another Rogue in the shop vibrating and having a whole bunch of vibration and just seemed like a rough idle, but as you can see, all the liquid filled hydraulic fluid that came out of the mount for the motor mount underneath the battery. If you get underneath it and look by that wheel well, you can see all that leaking, and yeah, there it is. So if you get some Rogues in there with the 1.5, that's seems like a rough idle or a misfire, vibrating real bad. Check the motor mounts out. I'll bet you it's probably leaking. But cheers, keep trying, keep giving it.